Hey everybody, Mike here, Foundation Homes with a listing here in Greenbrae. We're at 65 Via Barranca. It's over 3,000 square feet, 2-story house, 5-bed, 3-bath, large 2-car garage, and additional laundry room and storage. So this is the formal entry. Over here to the right is a full bath on the top floor, hall bath, guest bath, if you will. Bedroom here facing the street. Kind of up the hill a little ways here in Greenbrae, so we've got a view and it's reasonably quiet up here, sunny. Main living room. Nice covered deck here. Large eat-in kitchen. Brand new deck rail on the deck here off the kitchen. Large pantry. Additional pantry. Here we've got the master suite over the garage. Actually, we're not over the garage, we're over the bedroom downstairs. The bedrooms in this house are all quite large. We'll go downstairs, got new carpet. So to the right, we've got a living space, almost like a little in-law suite, little kitchenette. And the 5th bedroom. Huge storage room, washer dryer. Zoned heating, 2 furnaces, one up, one down. Back patio. As you can see, the bedrooms here are quite large.